we are doing a review of the Good Bean chickpeas. This is their sweet sriracha, so this is gluten-free, vegan, and non-GMO. There's the nutrient panel. That is the ingredients there, guys. So it's a pretty small print, but if you pause the video if you want to read it, so we'll do a quick taste test. Alright, here we go. That's what it looks like, guys. Okay, let's do the quick taste test here. It's got like it does have a heat to it, but it tastes sort of like a sweet chili sort of heat. It is a little bit on the sweet side. But chickpeas are a little bit dry, but not bad. Definitely check it out, guys. It could use a little bit more salt to it, but not bad. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.